So starting with a plastic Easter egg, pop it in half, and you'll see the one side has that little lip there. That's where you're going to put just a few drops of hot glue. Now don't fill it with hot glue because it'll seep out and you'll have a big ugly bubble, but just a couple dots and then snap it back together and wipe off or scrape off any of the extra glue that did seep out so that you have a nice smooth edge. And then what you're going to take is, I used a wooden skewer like you would grill vegetables on. You could really use anything. And I slid it into the holes that were already there. This is just going to give you an easy way to paint the egg without getting paint everywhere on yourself. So I just used a brown apple barrel paint that I got like at Walmart, and you're going to put 2 coats of paint. So this is actually one of the most time consuming parts of this project, is actually putting the paint on the egg. So paint, and you're going to keep painting until it's completely covered. So the main part that's going to be showing is actually the elongated part of the egg. The rounder edge of the egg is going to be covered up when we're completed the project, but it's a good idea to give that at least 1 coat. So if any of the string doesn't completely cover the egg, that you won't see it. So you're going to do 2 coats of paint, and then your egg should look like this. And then you have a nice acorn base for our project. So at this point, you're gonna take it off of the stick and you're gonna be left with the brown egg. And then you're gonna use your hot glue gun and whatever kind of string or twine. I used a basic brown twine, and you're gonna start gluing the string to the egg. So the easiest way to do it is to start at the crease of the egg and put a bead of hot glue and then wrap the string on it and just keep going up and up and up and up until the entire egg is covered with string. This is pretty time consuming too, and you may burn your fingers, so be very cautious. Use a low temp hot glue gun or use finger protectors because it does get a little messy. The string does tend to slip up or down along the egg, but it's super easy to do once you get the hang of it, and just make sure that you're going as neatly as possible so you're not leaving lots of gaps in the string. And just keep going up and up and up until you get to the very top of the egg. Okay, then when that's finished, if you want to add like a little wooden stem, I actually just used a piece of the kebab stick that I used to paint, and I just cut off a piece of that and hot glue that on. But you could go out in the yard and get your own little stick, and like natural stick, and put that on there, or you can leave it off, but I just added a piece of the kebab stick, and there you go.